The primary frustration for new traders is always the same: watching capital drain away while navigating chaotic markets through sheer trial and error. After 6 years of navigating these markets, I've mapped out a sequence designed to bypass that early struggle. If you follow a precise, step-by-step roadmap, you can cut that learning curve in half. This execution plan is designed for those with zero prior financial knowledge. You don't need a massive bankroll to start. You can begin the process with zero initial trading capital. This sequence provides a set of defined rules, replacing guesswork with a structured execution plan that you can start today. Step 1 is defining your environment. Selecting a market with a high probability of success is the first mathematical requirement for your trading career. This model illustrates the limitations of local stock markets. High taxes, steep fees, and low leverage create a restricted environment, much like opening a business in an isolated village, where growth is capped by the small population. In contrast, the Forex market operates like a massive metropolis. It offers unlimited liquidity and vast potential, with massive volume streams flowing between global financial hubs 24 hours a day. Committing to Forex shifts the mathematical odds of success in your favor by placing your capital in a high-capacity environment. Step 2 is establishing your pipeline. This transactional flow model shows how a broker acts as the required intermediary between a buyer and a seller, facilitating the exchange in return for a commission. A broker with high hidden fees creates a systemic drain on your account. In this scenario, a standard 50% loss can quickly grow into a 60% deficit, forcing you to spend extra time just to recover the difference. You also face counterparty risk from unregulated, fake brokerages. These entities exist solely to receive client funds and then prevent withdrawals, neutralizing any trading skill you might have. To protect your capital, you must use a verified, highly rated platform like MetaTrader 5 or TradeLocker to execute your orders. Securing a legitimate, transparent broker is a defensive necessity, protecting your capital against systemic, invisible drains. Step 3 is filtering your information. Most beginners waste months trying to memorize dozens of redundant candlestick patterns that only lead to confusion. This chart highlights the single most critical concept in the market: liquidity. These zones show where dense clusters of institutional capital are positioned. Understanding these areas allows you to see where the largest players are likely to move the market. You only need 3 supplementary concepts to map this out: support and resistance, trend lines, and the volume momentum of the candles. With these tools, you build a rigid strategy. This requires a specific time window, a single chosen instrument like gold, and strict risk-to-reward parameters for every trade. Filtering out noise and building a strategy around institutional liquidity creates the distinction between structured execution and emotional guessing. Step 4 is the stress test. You must execute your new strategy against 1 full year of historical market data to prove it functions. Deploying a strategy in live markets without knowing its historical fail rate is a high-risk gamble. You need hard data before committing any capital. This dashboard shows a baseline threshold, an 80% win rate during testing. When you transition to live markets, variables like slippage and execution delays often reduce efficiency. Building for an 80% win rate creates a necessary safety margin, allowing your strategy to remain viable even if real-world conditions bring your actual performance down to 60%. If your win rate is lower, you must isolate the data anomalies, identify the specific hours or setups that generate the highest volume of losses, and remove them from your plan. Ultimately, backtesting maps out the exact conditions under which a trader must refuse to participate, going beyond simply proving that a strategy can win. Step 5 is moving to real-time practice. You launch a fully simulated demo account on MetaTrader 5. This digital sandbox mirrors live market latency and pricing, allowing you to build execution muscle memory using virtual capital. You must execute your backtested strategy identically in this simulation. This is the time to build the habit of following your rules without deviation. The demo phase acts as a bridge, converting historical data into practical execution skill without requiring financial exposure. You now have a complete architecture: a high-potential market, a secure platform, a liquidity-based strategy, and proven testing data. Once your demo account yields consistent profits that match your backtested data, you have reached the graduation threshold. At this point, you can purchase a prop firm challenge or fund a live Forex account. Your next step is to study the detailed breakdown of the specific liquidity strategy used to find these high probability entries. Success in the financial markets follows the rigorous execution of this exact sequence of risk mitigation.